So today we made chicken Phillies and it was so good and it's super simple. So I took a pack of chicken thighs, cleaned them up real good, put a little olive oil on there, and that season that I just used right there, that is the MD Kitchen Co. That's the garlic butter seasoning that will be released this spring. I'm so excited about that. Stay tuned. I did a little pink Himalayan salt, a little white pepper, and then some smoked paprika. You can add any seasonings you want, but I really wanted to use my own seasoning for the most part. So this spring, we're going to be releasing the garlic butter seasoning, which you see right here in the video. We're going to have an all-purpose seasoning and also a Cajun mixed seasoning. So stay tuned for that. So you want to go ahead and mix that up real good. You want to make sure that your meat is seasoned well. I like to make sure that every inch is covered in seasoning. If you can't get every inch of the meat covered in seasoning, at least 90% of it. So then I washed or rinsed off a couple bell peppers and one whole onion. And I chopped that up. Some people dice it up. I did slices and then diced up the onion. However you want to do it, that's fine. You take your skillet, add a little olive oil. That's the best olive oil ever. Love it. And then you lay down the chicken thighs on a medium-high heat. Let that cook a little bit. So we don't have to cook it all the way through, but you want to sear it. Flip it over. You see how good that looks? It got that little crisp, that little char on there. That's how we want it, right? So it still may not be done all the way through, but you take that out, chop it up into smaller pieces, and you want to add like maybe a tablespoon of butter in there, and then saute and season the onions and bell peppers. Then add that chicken back in there and let that cook all the way through. It should be less than 5 minutes. It doesn't take that long. But let that cook all the way through. Then I added some provolone cheese slices and pepper jack. You can use mozzarella, whatever cheese you want to use, but we chose to use the pepper jack and provolone this day. So we toasted the bread with a little butter. Added a little mayonnaise on there. Duke mayonnaise is the best. And then we added that mixture on there, and it was done. It was so good. My children loved it. I loved it. We just had some plain chips on the side.